Hey folks, Masmakil from Originals back with another video, and today I wanted to talk about an AI tool that can help to summarize any YouTube video for free, quickly and easily. So if you ever wanted to get key points of a long YouTube video without watching the whole thing, then this video is exactly for you. Today in this video I will show you all how to summarize any YouTube video using AI for free. No expensive software, no complicated steps. So let's get started, and to summarize any YouTube video for free, we will be using iWeaver AI. First, iWeaver AI can be your AI agents for productivity based on personal knowledge with precision insights, fast decisions and qualified outcomes. iWeaver AI offers free AI tools like YouTube Video Summarizer, PDF Summarizer, AI Audio Summarizer, AI Notes Generator and much more. Not just that, we can use it to write AI content for blogs, stories, press releases and more. It also offers AI mind map and AI analysis tools. So with all these best free AI tools, iWeaver AI is all you need to enhance your knowledge. Simply amazing tool to have. Now let's get started and know how to use iWeaver AI to summarize YouTube video. And for that, simply follow the links in the description and pinned comment to visit iWeaver AI official website. Now from here we can simply add iWeaver AI Google Chrome extension, or can also go ahead to agent and click YouTube Video Summarizer. Now from here we can summarize any YouTube video for free in minutes. Now find the video that you want to summarize. Like I wanted to watch this Apple September launch event, but what's good if I use iWeaver AI to summarize the YouTube video without watching the whole thing? Well, for that, simply copy the link. Now go back to iWeaver AI. Here paste the video link in this box and click summarize. Now here we will be required to create an account using Google. Simply log in using any Google account. Once you are logged in, now wait for iWeaver AI to work its magic. And just like that, here we have a complete summary of the YouTube video without even watching it. Here we have a brief summary of the whole event with key insights. Wow, is not that amazing? Now you know how to quickly summarize any YouTube video for free using iWeaver AI. I will highly recommend you all to try out iWeaver AI if you are looking for best free AI tools that can help you enhance your productivity. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. To bypass a FRP lock on Android phone, as you can't verify your Google account after factory reset. If yes, then this video is for you. Have you ever faced the frustration of corrupted HDR, RAW or log files? If yes, then this video is exactly for you.